Welcome to the Medical Rescue Sim CTG Cardio-Tocography Simulation tutorial. The current contractions and vital signs, as well as the alarm limits, can be read in the column on the left. Tapping the respective values opens the corresponding settings window. The fetal heart rate is set up to 220 beats per minute using quick selection buttons or sliders. An autonomous change over a maximum of 15 minutes is optional. The degree of heart rate variability can also be set here, as well as the readiness of the corresponding sensor. The tocography presets allow different contraction characteristics. In addition to sensor activation, the following parameters are available to choose from: the interval between contractions in minutes, the percentage reduction in the child's heart rate, the graphically displayed reduction characteristic, and the maximum strength of the contractions. The blood pressure is specified either via a selection of standard values or via freely adjustable controllers. Here too, a time course is possible, as well as the necessary confirmation that the training cuff has been put on. The value of peripheral oxygen saturation must be determined constant or time varying. In order for measured values to be displayed, the readiness of the sensor must be confirmed. The mother's pulse frequency can be defined within wide limits, here too with an optionally selectable transition duration. The display of the pulse values can be switched on independently of the saturation measurement. The graphic representation in the right area shows the course of the contraction strength and that of the fetal heart rate. After tapping, the color scheme can be reversed and the recording can be advanced immediately by 5, 15, or 30 minutes. The Medical Rescue Sim CTG remote control app offers activating all sensors, setting the CTG and vital signs, as well as many other functions via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. This makes particularly comfortable and realistic simulation processes possible. The control buttons of the CTG monitor are positioned in the lower part of the screen. Visual and acoustic alarms are activated by default, which warn when the respective alarm limits are exceeded or fallen below. These are displayed next to the associated vital signs. By tapping the limits, you can set them individually or adapt them to the current measured values. The alarm button with the speaker symbol silences all alarms for 2 minutes unless another value is derailed. The FHR button switches on the fetal heart tones. Their volume can be adjusted in the system settings. In addition to the standard feed rate of 1 centimeter per minute, 3 centimeters or 5 millimeters per minute can also be set using the corresponding button. Using print, you can print out the displayed contraction recorder graphic on an AirPrint capable printer. The NIBP button starts the blood pressure measurement. NIBP INT activates or deactivates an automatic interval of 2 to 8 minutes. The gear symbol calls up general settings of the simulator. Basic adjustments to the app must be made here. These remain active even after you exit the program. The long press power button disables the monitor and resets the settings. The MRS CTG button displays a quick guide to operating the contraction recorder, as well as general information about the app. Additional information about Medical Rescue Sim CTG and our other simulation apps can be found on our website.